Alright, so very quick tip for setting values. For example, I have all these low poly stones, Principled BSD F shader, and I want to increase all these values a little bit by the same difference. Alright, so I can do it like that manually, but it takes a lot of time. So there is a way, faster way. Alright, so if you press click the left mouse button and fastly move it down, you can select multiple values. Let's try to do it. Left mouse button and move it fast. Alright, I selected all these 6 values. Right now, if I move it to the right side, I can increase all the values, and to the left side, I can decrease all the values by the same difference. Alright, very useful tip. And also there is another tip. If I want to set all values to the same value, for example 1, to make all these values output 1. So how to do that? Also left mouse button and move it down, but you have to release the left mouse button quicker than in the first example. Alright, let's try to do it. Left mouse button, move it down, and I released too slowly. Alright, let's do it again. Left mouse button and move it down. Once again, move it down. As you see, right now I can input any value I want. For example, value 1. As you see, all values are set to value 1. The final output will be this number 1. Thank you for watching. I hope it was helpful. It will be very grateful if you subscribe my channel. See you next time.